Ryan here for Silly Reviews. For the past month, maybe 2 months, I've been using these Arm Hammer 2-in-1 Power Paks. They boast to have baking soda freshness and Oxiclean stain fighters. That's all well and good, and I'll let you look at this. This is what the pack looks. Whoa! This is what the 2-in-1 pack looks like. It's got one color of powder on one side and some white powder on the other side. That's all fine and dandy, but we're going to head and get this out of here because I stepped my game up, my detergent game up. I've got the Arm Hammer 3-in-1 Power Paks. These boast OxyClean stain fighters, fresh scent booster, deep cleaning detergent. And to be quite honest, if you compare what the two packs look like, the 3-in-1 packs just look way cooler. So if they look cool, they're probably going to work better. At least that's how I think about it. So here's what the 3-in-1 pack looks like. Very cool. Got white powder. I'm colorblind. We've got some kind of liquid here. I believe that's going to be the deep cleaning detergent. Then we've got the fresh scent booster liquid right there. Fresh scent boosted. Now, I have used these already, and I will tell you, if you just use one, it recommends using one for a small to medium load, I believe, and then 2 for a large load. Yeah, it says it right there on the back. And I pretty much just have small loads is really all I have. And the scent on them, it's not really too strong. I usually add something like this Snuggle Plus stuff in the rinse cycle, these crystals, to really boost the scent up. But they do clean my clothes very well. And I'm a firm believer, just like with liquid dish soap, with laundry detergent, whether you're scooping it, the powder form, or you have a big thing of liquid, everybody uses too much. So while these may cost more based on volume, I guess, or weight of the product, however they measure that stuff, I believe these packs actually save you money because they're measured. You just use one. You're not using too much. Anyway, I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. This is my review of Arm Hammer 3-in-1 Power Paks plus OxyClean stain fighters. Please like, subscribe, share, show your mom, show your dad, show your brother, show somebody the Silly Reviews, okay? Leave a comment. Love you, bye.